So my daughter wants to show her latest creation, and also I would like to talk a little bit about these details. At first I was thinking like this, then I added these tails. Did not have any tails, and there was one deer, two, so this is going to be unfair towards the deer. So I this modified the hangarit and added female deer, couple, and I also added some water and clouds. I started to think that it's too much. So the final edition is going to be like this: Garuda, deer, crane, it's marmot and swan. Yep, something like that.